Welcome to my channel, guys. This bar soap is so beautiful and very easy to make. I made this soap using only 2 ingredients. Before we start the process, please subscribe, like, and share. I will also like to read and reply to your comments. Thanks for your support. What production video would you like to see next on this channel? We need only caustic soda and palm kernel oil PKO. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, please. Weight of bottle, 24 grams. Weight of PKO, 450 grams. Weight of cup, 18 grams. Weight of water, 117 grams. Weight of foil, 9 grams. Weight of caustic soda, 58 grams. Dissolve caustic soda. Stir very well to release heat. Stir until it cools down. Pour in PKO as you stir vigorously. Keep stirring to mix properly. Nice reaction taking place here. Keep stirring. Stir very well. The viscosity is fine, coming out strong. Get your mold ready. Fill in the mold. carefully. Adjust the mold by the sides. Set aside for 24 hours. After 24 hours, unmold beautiful designs. Very strong bars of soap. Long-lasting and very effective. Please subscribe, like this video, comment, and share. You can make much money from this recipe. Please let me know the next video you want to see on this channel. Thanks for watching and for your support, guys. Please subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, please. See you in my next video. Bye.